How's it going, guys? And welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And guys, got a brand new video coming at you. This is a narration over a video I recorded earlier. Got my hands on a new Samsung Galaxy S9. This is the regular S9, not the S9 Plus. I wanted a smaller model so it could fit in my hand a little better. I don't have the biggest hands, but so yeah, got a quick unboxing video here today. I'm going to be doing a separate review, separate first impressions, separate hands-on video. I'm going to try to make a couple videos out of this just because it's not every day you get a new phone, and I want to obviously make the most amount of content around this. I don't think it does this device justice just by doing a single video unboxing and review. I need to do multiple videos. I need to test this out because this is a very complex phone, has gazillion features built into it, and I want to get the most out of it. So the reason I went with a Samsung is because I'm a big features guy. I love having the most amount of features packed into a smartphone as possible, and I did several reviews of smartphones, current ones and a little older. Yeah, so with the Galaxy S9, guys, comes with a variety of accessories. For some reason, it's supposed to come with a USB-C to USB-A adapter for you to transfer content, and for some reason mine didn't include that, so I was a little confused, and you can probably notice in this video I'm like looking around for it, but comes with the standard stuff that comes with the phone. Comes with the AKG headphones, tuned by AKG headphones. Those are the wired earbuds. Comes with the phone itself. I got the Midnight Black edition, and comes with the USB cable, the charger, and yeah, stuff like that. That's basically all you need in a phone these days. Sadly, it doesn't come with a screen protector built in or any case. Some other phone manufacturers make those or include those in the box as well. But yeah, so I'm just opening up the packaging right here, and honestly, the packaging for Samsung devices is actually really solid. Samsung prides themselves on their hardware. Their software used to be pretty bad, but over time their software has improved. Right now mine is running One UI. If you guys are unfamiliar with that, I could do a separate video on One UI if you want to know all the features and the changes that came with that. Samsung was originally on TouchWiz, and then it moved to One UI for better one-handed use and make it an overall cleaner user interface, which I like. So yeah, the Samsung Galaxy S9, I did a review on this a while back. Not really a review, just like why you should buy this phone sort of video. And it did pretty well. People seemed to respond well to it. So this is a unlocked version. I have Verizon, so I just popped my SIM card in here. It worked with CDMA and GSM, fully unlocked. So yeah, it was really easy to get it set up, transfer my data. Samsung has their own smart switch app, which you can transfer your data from your old phone to the new Samsung phone. And I did that over Wi-Fi because I couldn't find the adapter in the box. I guess mine didn't come with it. So yeah, Snapdragon 845, 5.8-inch Super AMOLED display. As I'm filming this video, I currently have it set to 1080p just because I think you can't really tell the difference and saves a lot of battery life. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you're new here, subscribe, turn on those notifications, and I'm gonna be dropping some new merchandise soon with that new logo and new banner coming soon. I'll be doing a video on that in the future. So yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.